the paradigm shifters and specialized toolkit. While tools like CrewAI, AutoGen and LangGraph help organize and manage AI agents, a new kind of tool is starting to appear. These tools don't just connect parts, they change how AI is built in the first place. They sit even deeper in the AI tool and bring fresh new ideas to the world of generative AI. The first tool is DSPy, the shift from prompting to programming. DSPy, created by Stanford University researchers, bring a bold new idea. Instead of only writing prompts to guide AI, developers can program the language model itself. This means they don't have to rely on the guesswork or fragile prompt tricks. Instead, they can use a clear step-by-step method that can improved and tested. How it works? So the DSPy compiler, the big new idea in DSPy is it's a special compiler. Normally, a developer might spend hours changing prompt to get the right answer. With DSPy, it works the other way around. The developer writes a simple Python program that describes the thinking step, and the compiler builds the best prompt for them. In DSPy, the developers first set up signatures, which tell the system what goes in and what should come out of each step, like turning a question into an answer. Next, they combine these signatures into a bigger plan using ready-made modules such as DSPy ChainOfThoughts or DSPy React. These modules explain what needs to happen but not the exact word for the prompts. Finally, the developer provides a few example problems, an answer plus a goal for success. A DSPy optimizer then runs the AI many times, testing and fine-tuning different prompts and examples, and picks the best mix to make the program work well. When DSPy finishes its work, it gives carefully tuned prompt for each step of the program, made to fit the target AI model and the task. This is very different from the older tools like LangChain, where developers write and manages their own prompts. DSPy instead builds and improves the prompts automatically, treated them like a something that computer can compile and optimize instead of handmade text. This makes program easier to keep up, move to new AI models, and reuse. DSPy is still new and growing, and it can take extra computer time, but it tests many prompts, and sometimes it has trouble reading the AI answers. But for jobs where top accuracy really matters, like pulling out detailed facts or solving tough multi-step questions, it's careful programmatic method gives a big advantage and points to future where developers focus on writing program, not prompts.